Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me on this lovely Saturday morning. It's actually a little rainier here today, and we are currently at our Christmas in July event here in Jonesboro, Arkansas. So I pre-recorded this for you, but today I want to show you another project using our silver and gold designer paper from the Celebration catalog. Now you get 24 sheets in here. You get 6 each of these beautiful foil designs of gold and silver, and it can be free with a $50 purchase. So today I wanted to do a little gift card holder. So I chose the gold polka dot, which personally is my favorite. But I just love pink and gold together. So we're going to use some Melon Mambo and a blending brush. And first thing we're going to just do, add some color to this piece of designer paper. I'm gonna start off just doing a pretty even, for the most part, coating. Then we're going to die cut and do a little more because I want to do an ombre effect. And I could do it now, but I'm going to just give it a second. Okay. All right, let's go ahead. We're gonna die cut using the little gift, what are they called? It's called the Mini Pocket Envelope dies. Love these things. We had a larger pocket envelope die a while back, which I love too, and I still use that. But this one is so cute, and it's a perfect gift card size. So I'm going to cut this out. I even have extra paper, so I can use that on a card later or on a tag or something. So let's get our die cutting machine out, and we'll give this a quick cut. And just like that. I don't think I put it in quite straight enough, but this should be good. All right. I love die cutting. I love how it puts score lines and just everything for us. Okay. So you see the back is white. We're going to take care of that. I'm going to bring my blending brush back in, and I want to give it a little ombre from darker up to lighter. So I'm going to just kind of darken up the bottom. I'm doing this in the back too. Let's just go up just a hair. And then we'll do in here because that will be showing. All right, so next it already has score lines, so we're just gonna fold on the score line. Move that out of the way for now. Okay, it's got a little flap on the side. It's got a little flap on the bottom. Okay, so there's 2 ways you could assemble this. You can close it up and put these flaps in the back, okay? Or you can put the flaps on the inside. Now, if I was going to glue this to a card, I probably wouldn't worry about it and put my flaps on the back. But this is a gift card holder, so I want my back to look nice and streamlined. And these are really thin, so I'm just gonna put a very thin line of the Tombow adhesive right here and then on this flap. And this should hold it perfectly fine for a gift card. So just give that a press, let it dry for a second. Perfect. Got a little bit of white showing there. On that flap. That's how you take care of that. Oh, you know what? Let's just trim that off. That's from the back. That's not our flap. Looking for my scissors. Here they are. I pretty much covered it up with the ink, but we'll just trim it. There we go. All right, now from the die set, we have a little square or rectangle that's cut. Then I cut a piece of gold foil that goes behind there, and measurements will be on my blog. Then I also cut the bow pieces. So there's 2 pieces. Now when you're cutting, I don't know if you've realized this, but some papers fold better in a different way, you know, one way and not the other. So I try to cut these pieces in the direction where the paper folds a little more easily. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to put that together in just a second. All right, so let's stamp a sentiment. This is gonna be a birthday gift card holder. So I'm using this set, the Very Best Occasions. I'm using just a little happy birthday stamp. Let's see if we can do this right here. Okay, I think we're done with stamping now. And let's glue these together. All right, very cute. We're gonna pop this up on the front of our gift card holder. I'm just using a couple of dimensionals. Oops. Almost flung that on the floor. So cute. Okay, now let me give you some tips on this bow. First thing I'm gonna do is curve it a little bit. Okay, this will help when we go to assemble it. This one, now this is made for double-sided paper, which we do not have. So what I'm going to do is cut off this piece right here. Okay, so we need to fold these in, or bend them. I'm not going to fold. And then you'll see this is a straight piece, this is straight. So you want to line up those 2 straight pieces, right, like that. And then same over here. And I'm not creasing. I don't really want to crease the edges of my bow. So you can glue this a couple ways. You can use some Tombow, or you can use a glue dot. And I think I'm going to use Tombow only because this gives a little less bulk to our bow. So let that sit for a second, and then we'll put a little dab on top and put that next layer down. So we're going to hold this for just a second so that will seal, and then this is going to wrap around our bow. So I'm going to start in the back. I'll put a little bit in the back and then wrap this around the front, and then it overlaps. See, like that. Isn't that cute? All right. And this is where I think I'll use a glue dot. I'm just going to pick that up with my finger, and then we'll grab this. Okay, let's just stick this glue dot on the back. We can stick our bow pieces down with this, or a wrap. All right, now we're just going to adhere it to that. Let's just use another glue dot while we have them out. Just like that, super cute. Okay, and then I think I'll use just a couple little mini dimensionals right here on my bow, just so it's nice and secure. I have a lot of tools here. And pop that up right there. Isn't that cute? Yes, you could bling it up a little bit more, but you know what? I think it is perfect. And you know what it's perfect for? My favorite gift card, Starbucks. And this is a nice, pretty gold one. And this fits right in. So I showed this to my husband. I said, what do you think? He said, what is it? I said, a gift card holder. He goes, no, it's not. I said, yes, it is. He said, it's not big enough. I don't know, how big he thought it needed to be. But I'm like, yes, it is. So perfect size for a gift card. And color it any color to match the gift card that you have, or that you're giving. And if you want to put this on a card, you absolutely can. I just got a piece of Melon Mambo cardstock. Use a piece of white or gold if you want. I ran this through for that, I can't remember the name of this, but it's goes with that artistic set. But it's kind of like a little gesso background, peony looking thing. And you can just add it on to the front of a card and send that in the mail. And then write a sentiment on the inside with another piece of white. So super easy, super cute. I just liked it how it is. And then it looks cute on all sides. We have our color in the background too. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. Make sure to check back Monday. I have a cute little treat holder using the same gold and silver designer paper. And just remember, with a $50 order, you can earn that for free. And make sure to click on the link below to receive notifications of future videos. All right, thanks everybody, and I will see you Monday. Bye-bye.